welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video, and this is a vlog. Yes, I'll be vlogging today, and I have a few things to do. I have a bride. I'm actually at the location right now, so I have a bride right now. It's like 8:15. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't subscribed as yet. Hit the like button if you like my vlog styles, and leave a comment down below, and stay tuned. I do hope you guys enjoy this video.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
So guys, my day did not go according to plan. I'm actually heading home now. I was supposed to have like a girls' night out, like a little dinner, late lunch type thing, but curfew, COVID, and life, I guess. So we're going to do a girls' night in. Right, so I'm driving now. I am going to get some food and then head home. So guys, I finally made it to terrace, what's it called? HM6 Terrace. I don't know what's going on, but the traffic is disgusting for sure. Like, I don't know what going from the road, but rough. So I'm going to wait on Nardia, and then we can go order and then head home. Yes, you guys have met Nardia. Yes, I have introduced Nardia on this channel before, so
Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
Hours later.
it's 11:54. So guys, I was supposed to be vlogging, and
We're not drunk at all. No, we're not drunk. We have more to go.
and I did not remember that I was vlogging. So
She was on TikTok, guys.
yes, follow Nardia on TikTok.
Hey.
I'll put her handle here.
If I don't remember right now, so don't judge
Can
me.
lay back. I feel like I'm dying. Shit. Right.
We're
So
not drunk, guys. We're just tipsy, okay? Like that's what it is.
right, guys. So I really forgot I was supposed to be vlogging, but we came home and I didn't show you the food.
Why did you take pictures of the food?
I did not take pictures of the food.
Wow.
So I got barbecue pigtail and shrimp alfredo.
And I got wings with barbecue sauce and garlic shrimp. They said it was supposed to be spicy, but they lied.
Mine wasn't supposed to be spicy and they lied.
People lie unprovoked.
Unprovoked.
What they make
So
us. Those people.
but it was good. It was alright.
It was.
Yeah, the food wasn't bad. It's just a spicy aspect because I don't like spicy food and I really like spicy food. So there's that. But I think we're going to end the vlog here.
Until we pour another drink. Yeah.
I mean, the party continues, but the vlog, like what you see, ends here. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank you for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button and
Oops. Sorry. Sorry.
if you want to see that TikTok, remember to follow Nadia on TikTok at what's your TikTok on? She don't remember right now, but I'll put it on the screen. Somewhere on the screen. Or in the description box below. But yeah. So let me guys know. Let me know what you guys think. I don't think that was proper English. Let me guys know. Come back. So you guys let me know what you think about the vlogs, and I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.
Bye.
Bye.